Today I'm going to be teaching you if the App Store icon seems to be missing from your Apple iPhone or iPad, how to find missing App Store from iPhone and iPad. Now I show you my home screen to you. You guys be making sure App Store is not in the home screen. Also you can do check everywhere in home screen including folder file. If you couldn't find App Store then move to do next step. So, I will teach you guys how to recover missed App Store from iPhone and iPad. First, go to Setting app on your iPhone or iPad. Then tap Screen Time on Setting app. Scroll down to find Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now tap Content and Privacy Restrictions on Screen Time. Next, tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. Now guys you can see, this setting should change to Allow from Don't Allow. Next to Installing App tap on Installing App. Then select Allow, then back home screen. Check on your home screen and in folder, then you will see App Store will be here. If this step also not work for you please reset your iPhone or iPad.